Hi, now we're going to multiply binomials that have special products. If I have something like this, x minus 3, the quantity squared, I have to know that this is a FOIL. I cannot just square the first term and square the second term. So this becomes x minus 3 times x minus 3. Now I FOIL. I multiply my first. I get x squared. I multiply my outers. I get minus 3x. I multiply my inners. I get minus 3x. I multiply my less. I get positive 9. Outers and inners should combine. I get x squared minus 6x plus 9. If I would do one more, let's say we have 2a plus 1, the quantity squared. And I gave you a multiple choice, a, b, c. Let's make it 4a squared plus 1, 4a squared minus 1, 4a squared plus 4a plus 1. And we'll make it 4a squared plus 4a plus 2. So now, try that one. So now, a common mistake would be if you picked A or B. I have to know that I cannot just square the first term and square the second term. This exponent means I am squaring this whole quantity that's in parentheses. So this becomes 2a plus 1 times 2a plus 1. I have to know it's a FOIL. Then I just do my thing. I get 4a squared. I multiply my outers. I get plus 2a. I multiply my inners. I get plus 2a. I multiply my less, I get plus 1. Outers and inner combine, so I get a squared plus 4a plus 1. So our answer has to be C. So the main thing is you just have to remember it's a FOIL, put it in expanded form. Alright, one more product. If I have something like this, x minus y times x plus y. I FOIL. I get x squared. I multiply my outers plus xy. I multiply my inners minus xy. I multiply my less. I get minus y squared. So if you notice, my outers and inners, because they have opposite signs, go to 0, combine to 0. So I'm x squared minus y squared. Let's do another one. 2a minus 3 times 2a plus 3. I FOIL. 2a times 2a is 4a squared. I multiply my outers plus 6a. I multiply my inners minus 6a. I multiply my less. I get minus 9. Outers and inners combine. You can see that they combine to 0. So I'm left with 4a squared minus 9. We'll do one more. Let's say I have, let's make it 5x minus 2y times 5x plus 2y. I multiply my firsts. I get 25x squared. I multiply my outers. I get 10xy. I multiply my inners. I get minus 10xy. I multiply my last. I get minus 4y squared. Outers and inners combine. So I'm left with 25x squared. They go to 0. And I get minus 4y squared. So we have to be aware that sometimes our outers and inners go to 0. That's it. Bye.